What's up? It's Big D. I'm still up. Problems with anxiety, not sleeping very well. So I've got me diazepam there, which I've got 2, 4, 6, about 20 mil of them left, which I'll take tonight. And I'm a diazepam along with these to help me breathe. Because I'm still up, I've got to eat. I found 2 of these in the freezer. So, oh, 2 of them. They're in there. You can see them. They're in there. Getting cooked up like a mother. Oh, see that shit? Yeah. Well, that's in there getting cooked up. Gotta eat. Look, losing my abs. Shit, but getting there. Keep the diazepam out so I don't need to take the look at this bag of meds though. Literally. Look in there. It's just my meds bag. Wasteful control. Yeah, and I learned putting videos on about steroids to say, oh, I take steroids, and I was putting videos on to say, stop asking me about steroid use and stuff like that. I'm not gonna do videos about anything like that. If you like the house code, I don't know where I got it. It's all good. Can't sleep. I'm not having major problems with anxiety. I just having a bit of trouble sleeping. I've got a hospital appointment tomorrow, so that's a bit scary. A doctor's appointment, so I'll speak to them in the morning and see how that goes. And just going to be my last upload. It's YouTube, my last video tonight. So peace out, and get big, get huge. Keep subscribing, keep following, and keep liking my shit. Big D, hashtag Big D. Follow my shit, subscribe to my shit, like all my channels. Peace out, Big D. Boom things, motherfuckers.